So today I'm going to walk you guys through how to use a NotebookLM just to help you maybe study, maybe to understand the material better. But I'm going to kind of walk you through how this program works and how you can use it yourselves. So first I'm going to share my screen. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your course. So this is the course we're currently building for you guys for NSGA 144. Then you'll want to head on over to modules. And then you're going to want to download whatever PowerPoint it is that you are wanting to learn from. So for this one, I already previously downloaded this professionalism and leadership PowerPoint, so I'm not going to download it again because it's going to take up a lot of my memory on my computer. And then the other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up that weekly schedule and find whatever that reading assignment is listed on the schedule. So we're going to copy this one. I'm just going to copy that over. And then from there, I actually want to go to NotebookLM. So here is the web address. It's notebooklm.google. You can also go to a search engine and just type in NotebookLM and you will find it. This is a free product. So just click on Try NotebookLM. And then from there, you can make a new one. So you just click on Create Notebook. And then you want to upload whatever PowerPoint it is that you're wanting to learn from. So I'm going to click on Upload Resources. And I'm going to find that first one that I want to do, which is this professionalism and leadership. It will need to be as a PDF, not as a PowerPoint. And I can show you how to make that happen. So if you want to make this into a PDF instead of a PowerPoint, what you're going to need to do is open up that document. Let me open it up here in the folder. So I want to open it up. And then I want to tell it to print. So I'm going to say File, Print. And then instead of printing it to a printer, I want to print it to a PDF. So on mine, it just says Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you do that, it will make a version for you that is a PDF and you can upload it. So I've got my PDF version now. I'm going to upload that here. And then while it's uploading over here, you can type in using only the attached presentation and the following reading assignment. Please make me a study guide. Then hit Shift, Enter, and then paste in that reading assignment. And then you just want to hit this blue arrow. And it's going to think for a few minutes, and then it will generate for you a study guide. Another thing you can do to help make the study guide make more sense is to go back into that course module and click on Overview, and then find those objectives for the week and do the same thing. Copy these, then go back to NotebookLM, and then say, using the same reading assignments as before, make the study guide for these course objectives. Then Shift Enter and paste in those objectives. hit your little blue arrow again and give it a moment. And again, it's going to come up with a study guide for you. This is the study guide you can use for the exams, for the final, for whatever. All you have to do is copy and paste this into a document and you have a study guide. And the only sources it is using is your ATI textbooks, the online version or the print version. They're the same. Now you also have over here to the right a couple other options. So you can click on this audio overview, this video overview. Mine, I've already done all these today, so it won't let me. So let me go back in to the one I made previously because it said I've used up all my memory for the day. So it's going to be this one. So then I can click here. So let's see. Let's look at this one is interactive. If I click on interactive mode, it'll open up over here once I start it and I can ask it questions. So let's let it start and I'll show you how you can ask it questions. Welcome back to digging into nursing tech at its bedside manner. Stuff. Well, it's found. So what do you mean by the art of caring? So that is the podcast that you can actually interact with. And then it also will make you a video that summarizes the PowerPoint. So you can also watch this one as just a summary. So that's there for you. And then you have other options. Here in the studio, you can have it make you a nursing quiz that you can interact with. So you can click on this and answer these questions and then go through and it will kind of give you rationales for why things do and do not work. And once you've made these, once you go back to your screen, it it will be here forever. So I can go back in at any point and I can open this one back up again and see those same things again. So this is something I definitely recommend for you guys to use as you are going through the program, just to help you understand things better.